This video I will continue explaining lesson number 4. He is alone, kill him. Finding Bagheera alone on the terrace, all the monkeys planned to kill him as he was alone. At the same time, 5 or 6 other monkeys took Mowgli to a ruined greenhouse, spoiled greenhouse in the middle of the terrace. They pushed him in through a hole in the roof and he fell a long way down. Now, when Bagheera was there, everybody was fighting with Bagheera. Few of the monkeys took Mowgli and pushed him down a hole in the roof, and Mowgli fell a long way down. Luckily, he knew from Balu's lesson how to land on his feet. How to land on his feet. While you are jumping down, how to land on your feet. Out of the darkness, Mowgli heard the hissing of snakes and he quickly gave the snake call. Now, out of the darkness, there was a darkness where he fell down. There was totally darkness. From there also, he heard the hissing of the snakes. Means there were many snakes there. So he quickly gave a snake call. He knew the languages of animals, right? So he called like snake. We are of one blood, you and I. He is talking to the snakes. Even so, little brother, stand still or you will step on us. Now, if snakes are saying that stop there, stand still, otherwise you will step on us. The floor of the old greenhouse was alive with many cobras. The old greenhouse floor was filled up with many cobras. Alive cobras, the deadliest of snakes. Mowgli stood quietly, listening to the terrible noise of the fight above his head. He standing still, and he could hear the terrible noise of the fight which was going on the terrace among the monkeys and Bagheera. Bagheera had to fight for his life for the first time. First time Bagheera had to fight for living, for life. Mowgli could not hear Balu, but guessed he was near. Bagheera couldn't hear Balu's voice, but he could feel that Balu is somewhere nearby. Then he shouted up to the panther. He shouted to Bagheera, to the tank, Bagheera, roll to the water tank, dive in, get to the water. Now Mowgli from below is talking to Bagheera to move to the tank. Roll to the water means get inside the water tank and get to the water. Bagheera heard and knowing Mowgli was safe gave him new strength. When Bagheera came to know that Mowgli is safe, it gave him a new strength to fight. He slowly fought his way to the water tank. Now he slowly fought his way means he fought with monkeys to move to the water tank. Then suddenly, from under the wall nearest the jungle, they heard Balu's war cry. Page number 29. Then suddenly from the wall nearest the jungle, they heard Balu's war cry. The old bear came as quickly as he could. Now Balu has reached the jungle or the lost city. He is nearby. Bagheera, I am here. I am climbing up. Wait, I am coming. Bagheera is saying, Balu is speaking to Bagheera that I am coming. Balu jumped down into the middle of the monkeys and began hitting them with his huge paws. Mowgli heard a splash and knew Bagheera was in the water where the monkeys could not follow. Now Mowgli could heard the splash. Splash means when you fall into the water, there is a sound, splash. And Mowgli could feel that Bagheera has jumped into the water where the monkeys could not follow. Means monkeys cannot follow Bagheera into the water. But they were all around him, and afraid the panther gave the snake call. The Bagheera called for means near the water tank. Monkeys were near the water tank. He was afraid inside the water. So he called for the snake. We are of one blood, you and I. Again, Bagheera shouted that your Ka and you and I are of the same blood. He was worried that Ka was gone. Balu was surprised when he heard the great panther calling for help. Now, Bagheera thought that Ka has gone. He was worried about that. If Ka has gone, then how can we be safe? Balu was surprised when he heard the great panther calling for help. Now Balu was surprised that this big panther Bagheera is asking for help. Mang the bat, new character. Mang the bat, who watched the great battle from the air. Now he is watching from the air. Carried the news to all the jungle. The birds, the deer, all the others, even Hathi. Hathi is the elephant, he leader. The wise old leader of the elephants heard about it. When Bat saw the terrible fight, he spread the news in the jungle to all the birds, deer and other animals also, and even the Hathi. Who is Hathi? Hathi is the leader of the elephants. Other monkeys heard and came to help their friends. Means after listening to this Bat, that the monkeys, and there is a fight between monkeys, Bagheera and Balu and all that. Other monkeys in the jungle also came to help the monkeys. For miles the birds chattered excitedly. From many far off places the birds started chattering or speaking on a high-pitched sounds. Then Ka appeared. Now Ka has reached after such a long time, straight and fast and ready to kill. He was 30 feet long. How long? 30 feet long and weighed half a ton. See how heavy he was. That is why it took time for him to reach the terrace after a very long time. He attacked at the heart of the monkeys near Balu, in the center of the terrace where the monkeys were holding Balu. Ka snatched or hit in the center of the monkeys. Ka, it's Ka, run, run. Looking at Ka, the snake, the monkeys got scared and started shouting, "Let's run, run, run," because the snake has come up. The monkeys ran and jumped, terrified, scared, to the tops of the walls and into the trees. Looking at Ka, the snake, monkeys were scared and they ran up to the top of the trees and the walls. Balu was very pleased to see Ka, was very happy to see Ka. Even though his fur was thick, it was not enough to protect him from the monkey's sharp teeth. Now Balu's skin is very hard, thick, but still monkeys hit him so hard. Monkey's sharp teeth hurt Balu a lot. Ka opened his great mouth and spoke one long hissing word. Means he hissed aloud. The monkeys nearby were suddenly quiet, and the monkeys which were far away froze in the branches of the trees. Means as Ka shouted, the monkeys nearby were suddenly quiet and froze with fear while looking in the branches of the trees. Wherever they were sitting, they froze. Froze is the past tense of freeze. As the ice freezes, the water freezes and become ice, those monkeys also froze in the branches of the trees. Everything was quiet. The monkeys knew and feared the great python. Mowgli heard Bagheera shake his wet body as he came out of the tank. When Bagheera came to know that Ka has arrived, he came out of the water tank and started shaking his body to dry up. And Mowgli below the terrace could hear Bagheera shaking his body. Turn to page number 32. Get the boy out of that hole. I can do no more. Let's take him and go before the monkeys attack again. But Ka knew better. Balu said, get that boy out of the hole. Means take out Mowgli out of the hole. I cannot do no more. Means I can do no more. I cannot fight anymore. Let's take him and go before the monkeys attack again. But Kaa knew better. What? Kaa knew that they will not move until I say so. I heard you call for help, Bagheera. Rest of the lesson I will explain in the next video. Thank you.